Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the key principles of effective complaint management as outlined in ISO 10002, the international standard for handling customer complaints within organizations. ISO 10002 is designed to help organizations establish and maintain effective processes for handling customer complaints. By implementing the principles outlined in this standard, organizations can enhance customer satisfaction, improve customer retention, and foster a positive reputation in the marketplace. Principle 1. Customer focus. The first key principle of effective complaint management is customer focus. Organizations must prioritize the needs and expectations of their customers throughout the complaint handling process. This involves listening to customer feedback, acknowledging their concerns, and taking proactive steps to resolve complaints in a timely and satisfactory manner. Principle 2. Leadership and commitment. The second principle emphasizes the importance of leadership and commitment. Senior management must demonstrate their commitment to complaint management by providing the necessary resources, establishing clear policies and objectives, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Principle 3. People involvement. People involvement is the third key principle. Organizations should empower their employees to participate in the complaint handling processes and provide them with the training and support needed to effectively address customer concerns. Engaged and motivated employees play a crucial role in delivering exceptional customer service. Principle 4. Process approach. The fourth principle advocates for a process approach to complaint management. Organizations should establish systematic processes and procedures for handling complaints from initial receipt through the resolution and follow-up. This ensures consistency, efficiency, and transparency in the handling of customer complaints. Principle 5. System approach to management. The fifth principle promotes a system approach to complaint management. Organizations should integrate complaint handling into their overall management systems, aligning it with other relevant processes such as quality management and customer relationship management. This holistic approach enables organizations to identify and address systematic issues that may contribute to recurring complaints. Principle 6. Continual improvement. Continual improvement is the final principle of effective complaint management. Organizations should regularly review their complaint handling processes, analyze customer feedback, and implement corrective and preventive actions to enhance their performance over time. By striving for continual improvement, organizations can adapt to changing customer needs and maintain their competitive edge in the marketplace. In conclusion, by adhering to the key principles outlined in ISO 10002, organizations can establish robust complaint management processes that drive customer satisfaction, loyalty, and business success. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to address any questions you may have. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.